Alicante, or Alacant, is a province of eastern Spain, in the southern part of the Valencian Community. The second and third biggest cities in the Valencian Community are located in this province. Alicante is bordered by the provinces of Murcia on the southwest, Albacete on the west, Valencia on the north, and the Mediterranean Sea on the east. The province is named after its capital, the city of Alicante. History and politics. The Iberians were the oldest documented people living in what today is the Alicante province. Belonging to these there are several archaeologic sites, from which is specially known the one in Alacete because the longest inscriptions remaining in the undeciphered Iberian language were found there, along the coast and contemporarily to the Iberians. The seafaring Phoenicians and Greeks settled stable trading colonies and interacted with the former. After a brief Carthaginian period, the Romans took over. Romanization in this part of Iberia was intense. The Via Augusta communicated this part of the empire to the metropolitans. Several cities thrived, from which the one known as Illici Augusta even reached the status of colonia. After a brief period of Visigothic ruling, the area was taken by Islamic armies and became a part of Al-Andalus. For the 13th century, kings like Ferdinand III of Castile, James I of Aragon, Alfonso X of Castile, James II of Aragon reconquered the cities that Moors occupied. What today is the Alicante province was initially split between the Crown of Castile and the Crown of Aragon by means of the Treaty of Almazra. However, later on the whole territory became under the control of the Kingdom of Valencia, which was a component kingdom of the Crown of Aragon. Alicante contributes with 12 deputies in the Spanish Parliament and with 36 deputies in the Cortes Valencianas, the regional parliament of the Valencian Community. Economy. The main industries in Alicante province are, in the primary sector, intensive agriculture, especially in the fertile Vega Baja del Segura, Camp Delx and vineyards in the inner part of the province, also near the coast in the Marina Alta area. Fishing is important all along the coast, with important fishing harbors such as Santa Pola, Calpedania. Industry has been historically important in the textile sector around Alcoy. Footwear still remains as the flagship industrial sector of the province, which occurs in Elche, Elda, Petron and Villena. Both labor-intensive footwear and, especially, textile are at a low ebb due to harsh competition from fast-paced growing economies in Asia. The traditionally important toys industry around the Iberian on-hill area is another one competing internationally with those same areas. A sector which has gained preeminence during the last 20 years is marble quarrying and processing. It happens mostly in the Novelda and Pinos area. Still, what the province is known for is its massive tourism sector. The Costa Blanca's generally mild and sunny weather attracts hundreds of thousands of tourists from other European countries such as the Netherlands, the UK and Ireland, Germany, Belgium, Norway, France and also from other parts in Spain like Madrid. Thousands of families from other places own a second home in the Alicante province which they use for the vacation time. Image gallery. Traditional subdivisions. Traditionally, Alicante province is divided into 9 comarcas or comarques. Comtat, 28,391 inhabitants. Its capital is Cocentaina, textile industry and agriculture. Alcoia. It is subdivided into 2 clearly differentiated subcomarcas, Vals d'Alcoy and Vale d'Alcoy. 69,224 inhabitants. Its capital is Alcoy. Olive trees and textile industry. Moros y Cristianos festivals. La Fia de Castalla. La Joya de Castalla. 43,930 inhabitants. Its capital is Castalla. Its most populous city is Ibi. Industry of toys. Marina Alta, 199,273 inhabitants. Its capital is Dania. It is the most rainy comarca. Tourism. Marina Baixa, Marina Baja, 191,388 inhabitants. Its capital is Benidorm. Eminently tourist, beautiful beaches and mountains. Alto Vinalopó or Alt Vinalopó, 54,061 inhabitants. Its capital is Villena. Agriculture and footwear. Moros y Cristianos festivals. Vinalopó Major, Vinalopó Medio, 173,324 inhabitants. Its capital is Elda. Footwear industry, marble, wines and grapes. Bakes Vinalopó Abajo, Vinalopó, 290,481 inhabitants. Its capital is Elche. Agriculture, footwear and carpet industry. Tourism, Misteri-Delx Festival and services with Alicante Airport in Municipality of Elche. L'Alacant, 476,123 inhabitants. Its capital is Alicante. Services and tourism. Highly urbanized comarca. Bonfires of St. John Festival. Vega Baja del Segura, Abaix Segura, 390,817 inhabitants. Its capital is Orihuela. Its most populous city is Torrevieja. Agriculture and tourism.